Hello everybody, let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on positive note today and made an attempt to scale higher. However, it faced resistance at a rising trend line where it faced a sharp selling pressure and ultimately tumbled down to post a negative daily close. Larger picture shows that Nifty has broken out on the downside from the ending pattern. As the name indicates, the pattern marks end of a multi-week rally. So Nifty is now looking bearish from short-term as well as medium-term perspective. On the daily chart, Nifty has started forming lower top, lower bottom formation, which is as per Dow theory a sign of a bearish trend. On the downside, Nifty has broken 20 DMA as well as the psychological mark of 6,000, which adds to the downward bias. And on the downside, 40 DMA, where there is Delhi lower Bollinger Band as well, the support zone is around 5950. That will act as a crucial support going forward. And once that is broken, a significant downside will be confirmed. And a larger picture, that is weekly chart, shows that Nifty in the week gone by has formed a bearish outside bar on the weekly chart. So the high, that is this one, which is 6111, will now act as a crucial resistance going forward. And unless that is crossed, we maintain our short term as well as medium term bias down. And on the downside, 20-week simple moving average, which is close to 5815, will be the crucial level to watch out for. Daily momentum indicator is in line with the expected price fall. Moving on to hourly chart, we can see that hourly momentum indicator is in bearish mode as well. And on the hourly chart, we can see that while Nifty was falling, it made multiple attempts to cross its crucial hourly moving averages. However, it could not sustain, and every time it faced resistance there. And in today's session, Nifty has clearly fallen down from these moving averages and has started a larger leg on the downside. Moving on to Bank Nifty, we can see this is hourly chart of Bank Nifty. And as can be seen, Bank Nifty form a double top pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and as a follow through, Bank Nifty is falling down. On the way down, it has broken its crucial hourly moving averages. And in terms of price pattern, Bank Nifty recently formed a head and shoulders pattern, which is also a bearish pattern, and from the neckline, Bank Nifty has given breakout on the downside and is falling down along with the momentum, which is in line with the price fall. So Bank Nifty is looking quite bearish as well, and crucial supports are 12,600 and 12,400, and crucial resistances are 12,744 and 12,850. Now we'll have a look at a couple of stocks that are looking weak from short to medium term perspective. And the first one is IDFC. IDFC also formed an ending diagonal and has broken out on the downside. After the breakout, it retested the pattern trend line, and from there it has resumed with the fall. Overall, it is also forming lower top, lower bottom on the daily chart. It recently made attempt to cross its crucial daily moving averages. However, bears didn't allow IDFC to surpass these moving averages, and in fact from there it is now set for next leg on the downside. Daily momentum indicator is also suggesting the same. So IDFC is a good shot from current level with crucial supports near 163 and 155 and crucial resistances near 172 and 176. And the next one is Wipro. After the sharp fall on the result day, Wipro was trading in sideways to bullish manner. However, it was nothing but a retracement of the fall. It retraced nearly 50% of the fall, and in terms of price pattern, it has formed a bearish flag pattern and is on the verge of a bearish breakout. That is, it is about to break down from the pattern as well as from 20 DMA. Daily momentum indicator is clearly in a negative mode. So we expect Wipro to achieve its equality target on the downside, which is close to Delhi lower Bollinger Band as well. Crucial supports are 398 and 385, and crucial resistances are 416 and 427. Thank you.